Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 769, and today's topic is the medicinal importance of steroidal alkaloid, and that is conisine. This conisine alkaloid is isolated from kurchi plant bark, and this kurchi plant is wild and sometimes cultivated, but in Indian forest it is available. And once you are going to remove the bark of the plant stem, make sure that this plant should be at least 10-year-old. Once it is very young plant, means 3-4 years, you will not get the steroid alkaloids. And these steroid alkaloids, they are actually having cyclopentanophranthine nucleus, means 4 cyclic ring. They are tetracyclic, and 1 or 2 nitrogens are the part of this steroid nucleus. That's why it is called steroid alkaloid. And this alkaloid, conisine, is important from medicinal point of view because it is widely used for stomach disorder, mainly to control the amoebic dysentery, diarrhea, and also the bark is used to reduce the some extra water swelling, we call it, and by rubbing this on face or on skin, it is reduced. And also this conisine is used in some anti-amoebic and anti-enthelmintic, means worm or intestinal, some other microorganisms can be treated well with conisine alkaloid. And here this alkaloid is given, that is conisine. It is having 4 rings, A, B, C and D. A, B and C, they are 6-membered, and D is 5-membered, and here nitrogen is part of the 5-member ring with methyl group, and here nitrogen is part of A ring, that is with 3 methyl group N, CH3, CH3. This is called conisine, and it has molecular formula C24H40N2. The second one is now known as conimine, and the conimine is having molecular formula C22H36N2, and it is having 3 heterocyclic, we can say 6-member ring, and other one is 5-member, and nitrogen is the part of this ring. And here in kurchi, or we call it Holarena. Holarena is English name, and this Holarena is very commonly known as kurchi in English also. And this kurchi is having lot of alkaloids. Different type of alkaloids are present in the bark, but only it is popular from its medicinal point of view. Medicinal importance is only because of presence of conisine, that is tetracyclic steroid, where nitrogen is the part of ring. So here the medicinal importance of steroid alkaloid, and the main constituent is called conisine. The botanical source is, that is the botanical name, that is Holarena and Antidecentrica. So Holarena Antidecentrica, it belongs to family Apocynaceae. Number 1. Aloe vera, that is commonly known as kurchi, and also here they call it known as false rubber tree, and it consists of dried stem bark, collected from 8 to 12 years old trees and freed from attached wood. Number 2, kurchi contains 1.5 to 3% alkaloids, from which conicin, the most active alkaloid, this conicin, most active alkaloid, is purified and it is up to 30%. Conicin is non-oxygenated steroid, because here usually at 3 position there used to be oxygen in the form of alcoholic group hydroxy, but that 3 position is occupied by dimethylamine, so it is without oxygen. That's why it is called non-oxygenated steroid. Structure containing a 5-member ring. This 5-member ring with nitrogen, and that nitrogen is linked with methyl group. So it is having nitrogen in 5-member ring containing ring and diethyl amino group. Diethyl amino group that is here at carbon 3 position. So number 3 is, that is the other alkaloids apart from conicin reported to be present in kurchi bark, and these are conamine, isoconicimine, curcin, conicimine, concurcin, conarine, holarinine, and isoconicimine. So these are all alkaloids present in kurchi bark, and out of all these alkaloids, that conicin is very much effective, especially for amoebic dysentery, diarrhea, and some worm also. Mainly it is very effective in dysentery and diarrhea, and nowadays this one is very much in news, that is curcin. That curcin is also having some antibacterial effect, but that is not yet very much documented. Number 4, the bark of kurchi is used as stomachic, astringent, tonic, and anti-dysenteric. It has anti-enthalminic. Anti-enthalminic means worm and other some microorganisms in our stomach property, and it helps to treat dropsy. Dropsy is a condition of swelling caused fluid and retention, maybe in hand or face. So sometimes when this fluid is retained either in hand or on face, then you will be having swelling. So by rubbing the bark, powder or bark itself, that retention of fluid will be reduced and you will be recovered. So by rubbing the bark over the body, it is recovered. It is also used to treat amoebic dysentery and diarrhea. Number 5, kurchi bismuth iodide containing total alkaloids of kurchi bark is used orally for the chronic amoebic stomach disease, and conicin hydrobromide obtained from kurchi bark known as Indrajia. So Indrajia is the Indian name. So Indrajia means it is actually the alkaloids hydrobromide, and that is very effective to treat the chronic dysentery. So with this your steroid alkaloid chapter is over, and some other alkaloids which contains amino group and they may not be the part of your ring system. They may be the part of side chain. They are also medicinally very important. That I will be discussing in the next lectures. So this alkaloid chapter, you know, I have delivered lot of lectures, lot of information, medicinal properties, and its especially the opium and its derivatives and different type of analgesic, morphine. So it's a very, very interesting chapter, and this is the opportunity provided to you and platform on YouTube to watch it. And please, you should learn to subscribe, and then you can watch it and copy down. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.